persist into early next week. The forecast for the Las Vegas Valley. Rest of today, tonight, Thursday night, Friday. The observations for the local area at 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time on Wednesday, May 21st. At Harry Reid Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 86 degrees, the dew point 25, and the relative humidity 11%. The barometric pressure was 29.96 inches and falling. Other observations around the valley. Emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System. The observations for the local area at 11 a.m.